back to my first series in my master bathroom refresh and remodel. Today we are doing a deep cleaning in my bathroom. So I ran out to my fabulous, you know what, Dollar Tree. Of course, my channel is not sponsored by Dollar Tree, but I just love their products. So first, I'm an old-fashioned gal. My grandmother always used Comet, and I still use Comet to this day. And this is just a cleaning powder, if you've never heard of it. So I use this in my sink, in my toilet, sometimes on the floor, and in my tub. I got a car wash sponge. This is a bigger sponge for me to be able to reach, especially going around in my garden tub, and to use in my shower. I got some, and this is a new find for me. I got the all-purpose caulk. You can use it on tubs, sinks, windows, trims, and more. And this is going to be when I do redo my caulking around my shower door. I was really excited to find this, and that was, you know, of course, $1. I got a putty knife. You will see me utilize that soon. Got a new utility knife. And I got some Wizard Hawaiian Retreat spray. And I want to spray this because I didn't spray it in the store. Ooh. Not bad. I should have got 2 of those. One for my bathroom, one for my husband. Go back over there tomorrow and get some. Next, I got some Rust, Lime, and Calcium spray from Totally Awesome. I love their products. And this is going to be to help me with that lime and calcium buildup in the toilet. I believe we have hard water, and I do not like that. Especially that black stuff. I don't know how I'm going to be able to do that, if I have to call a water company and have them come out to test our water. I don't know how that works, but I am going to look into it. And then I found the Lime Away toilet bowl cleaner, and that's also lime, calcium, and rust buildup. And I will put this in both of the bathroom toilets. And I didn't even know that Totally Awesome made bleach. So I got bleach as well. So that was my little items that I picked up today. Just all cleaning stuff and some utility stuff that I will be utilizing in another video. So you'll probably see me showing you these products again. So we're just going to get those put out the way because I don't need them. And of course, I am going to put you in time lapse. Really no talking when you are, well, I don't when I'm doing my videos, especially when I'm concentrating and trying to get my bathroom and everything else that I'm doing. So the first in the video is going to be me clearing off my vanity and getting it organized. Because this has been like a catch-all for me. I did have it straightened at one point, but you know, it's time to get back in here and get this all cleared off. Now I was thinking maybe just to have a plain surface and just don't have anything up here, but that's impossible for me because with my arms and my back, I need products that are going to be right in front of me. So here is my final cleanup right now for my bathroom. I got in here and did my best to get all that gook that was in there. And this is why I wanted to update this. All the clutter that was just being thrown over on top of this sink. I just threw away some stuff and then placed it underneath the sink in my organizer. And that is my little tray. And then I always loved this saying when I used to sell black art with my aunt and I. This is one of the pieces that I bought, and it's from the Buddha. You yourself, as much as anybody in the entire universe, deserve your love and affection. And I stay true to that every day since I bought this about 20 years ago. And there is a little lady that sits in a bathtub. Hopefully I can find it before I upload this video, just so you can see the whole set. And then I recently purchased this fabulous tissue holder that I got from Home Goods, and I paid $8 for that. I never showed it. I'm out of tissue right now, so I'm going to show that with the tissue, but that'll be there in the corner for when I do my makeup, etc. So, yes. Overall, I'm excited just to see this part done. And I don't know if we're gonna start with the So once again, thank you for watching. Make sure to give me a lovely comment, hit that thumbs up please. And if you're new to my channel, thank you, thank you, thank you. And thank you for the fabulous family that always comes over and supports my channel. You really don't know how much I appreciate that. I'm trying to get back on track and try to get some good videos out for y'all. As y'all know, I don't do a lot of talking in my videos. I do put the music on and do time lapse, because I am a talker and I would talk y'all all day, and then that just be a lot of editing for me. But let me know if you want me to talk through the videos or you prefer the music. To reiterate, I did have mouth denture work, so I do have a lisp now, and I am a little self-conscious with that. So I prefer not to do a lot of talking until I finish getting my teeth done. Well, that's a whole nother video. So once again, thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll see y'all when we tackle the garden tub. And I have no clue of what I'm going to do with this space or these walls. So I may do a poll for you guys to come over and help me out of what I should put up here. All right, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.